Hi, I'm Kimberly and I'm here with Autumn, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some delicious snacks out of anything in your cupboard. So we just grabbed some crackers, Oreo crumbs, strawberries, cookies, M&Ms, like chocolate chips, and just little
these random things.
Candies, I don't know, they're chocolate covered fruits. Okay, so this is how you can make a delicious snack out of anything in your cupboard. So we're going to take the crackers and place them all over the plate. Wow, they're all cracking. We'll just start with this. And now we're going to melt these in the microwave. Stop it. So I have a few chocolate chips in the bowl, and I'm going to put in the microwave for like 10 seconds or something.
10 years.
So we've melted our chocolate chips.
And it looks like peanut butter.
Watch your hair. And now we're going to put them on the crackers. So.
Oh, okay. We're just winging this, by the way. Yum.
Okay, so once you got your crackers, let me just leave the rest. Oh, you can continue. We're gonna put some Oreo crumbs on them. Mom, can I open the box of Oreo crumbs?
Yeah, don't take too much.
And by the way, this tastes the same as peanut butter too. So you can just use peanut butter.
Or you can just use chocolate chips or anything, or just use anything you want in your house to make these. Little huge chunks keep coming out when I'm trying to make it tiny. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to put the tiny crumbs, sprinkles. And now
we're going to cut the strawberries and put them on. Okay. Okay, here we go.
I'm going to call these cracker sandwiches. So you put your sliced strawberries. You can put a few, like use one strawberry for each. And go on top of each other. This is garbage. And you continue doing this with the rest.
Just be the person in the corner doing nothing.
Okay, you place them on.
Okay.
This one looks funny. You can take those. Normal. Tiny one.
And this one's even tinier.
This is kind of stupid. This is a small one. This is a big one.
And now we're going to put these. Okay, so now we're going to put these on. So just these random blobs.
Cookie dough, cookie dough.
Okay.
Dumb ways to die. There are so many dumb ways to die.
Okay. Are we done or not?
Okay. Now we're gonna put another cracker on top of it, and it's called the cracker sandwich. This is what it looks like in the end.
And they actually taste pretty good.
Yeah, but they don't look good. If you're going to a really cool, like a Sweet 16, don't eat these three. And I bet they don't taste that good. Like, I've got a cake, guys.
So, folks, that's how you make something.
Thank Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below if you like watching these old videos. Hope you enjoyed this 2 weeks episode, and bye!